Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to change the plot area background color in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So here I'm going to create column chart. Simply select the data and go to the insert tab. In charts group, click on the first option, the column chart. Select the 2D column, the first one, and here you can see the chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. Just drag the corner point and you can increase the size of the charts. Okay. So you can see here, this is a plot area. When I click on it, the selection is, you can see the selected plot area. Okay. So here I'm going to change this plot area background color. Okay. Simply right click on the plot area, then click on the format plot area. Okay. And here you can see the format plot area is open. In first option, fill and line, click on the fill and here click on the solid fill. And here in color, you can select here the different color. See the changes over here. The plot area background color is changed. Okay. You can select here the any color. And there is a second option, gradient fill. You can fill the gradient also. There are gradient stop. You can add the color in every gradient stop. See the changes in the plot area. I select the second stop of gradient and select here the different color. And the third stop, I select here the different colors. And the fourth one, I select here the different color. See the changes over here. You can feel the gradient. Okay. And after that, I here have a one more option, the pattern fill. You can feel the here pattern, different pattern is available. See the changes in your plot area background. There are different pattern colors also you can change here. So I select this one and see the pattern color is changed. Okay. So you can select here the different types of the pattern. Okay. You can change the pattern background color also. There is a background option. So I select here yellow. See the changes here. The pattern background also you can change. Okay. So I select here the different color. See here the changes. Okay. So this is a way you can change the plot area background color in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.